Now we look at another example. We have one object here, and there are four forces acting on that object. You can look at it yourself. Okay, there are four forces altogether. Okay, now how are we going to know where the object will move? What is the resultant force when there are four forces acting together on one object? So how to solve this? We need to solve it by uh, finding what is the resultant force on the horizontal and also vertical. For this one, this is the horizontal line. So we have 15 Newton to the left and 6 Newton to the right. So of course you know that this one has a higher magnitude of force. So 15 minus 6, you get 9. So you can write there 9, and then solve this one. So we have 10 Newton to the bottom and 4 Newton upwards. So this one has a greater amount of force or magnitude of force. So 10 minus 4, you get 6 Newton. So when you have this, so you can solve this one as previous example, just the same thing. Okay, we have 6 Newton here, so you can move this force here, 6 Newton. Okay, something like that. Okay, now we use the space here to solve this problem. So this is 9 Newton, and then okay, 6 Newton here, so you can draw it here, 6 Newton. And then where is the resultant force? It's very easy, just joining these lines. So this is the resultant force. So how do you know what is the resultant force? Okay, just applying Pythagoras theorem. So this is 90 degree. So let's say this is R. R stands for resultant force. So R squared equal to 6 squared plus 9 squared. So R is square root of 6 squared plus 9 squared. So when you use a calculator, you get 10.82 Newton. So here is the magnitude of resultant force. Okay. Now what about the angle? What about the angle? Okay, the angle of resultant force. Since the object is here, so you need to measure the angle. You need to calculate the angle there. So this is theta. So theta is equal to, okay, before that is the right complete equation. So tangent theta is equal to 6 Newton divided by 9 Newton. So theta is 10 arch 10, 6 minus 9. So use your calculator. Okay. Okay. So I leave it to you yourself. Try to use your calculator, and then get what is the angle. Okay. That is how you solve the problem.